Good morning, students. Let's start a new topic cotton from the chapter Fiber to Fabric. Cotton is a soft fiber that grows around the seeds of the cotton plant. The cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. In our country, cotton is cultivated in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Cotton plants need a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius and a rainfall of about 60 centimeter to 100 centimeter for their growth. The cotton plant is bushy and about 1 to 2 meter in length. In India, the growing period for cotton is from March, that is spring, to November, that is winter. Cotton seeds are planted in the early spring in a well prepared field. Cotton seeds grow steadily, that means gradually, or we can say without any change in speed or level, or we can say the seeds grow consistent way. The fruits of the cotton plant are called cotton bolls. The cotton boll grows slowly and small seeds and cotton fibers develop. A fully mature cotton ball is of the same size as that of lemon. It is brown in color. After maturation, the cotton bolls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. The heat of the sun dries these fibers, turning them fluffy and as white as snow. During this time, the cotton field looks like a field covered with snow. Now it is the time of harvesting. Cotton crop is mostly hand-picked. In big fields, machines are also used for picking cotton. The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by the process called ginning. It was traditionally done by hands using steel combs, but nowadays a machine called roller gin is used for ginning. A roller gin has steel pins fixed on two rollers which act as combs. When cotton is passed through a gin, the seeds are combed out and they get collected in a separate vessel. When ginning is completed, the ginned cotton is pressed into bundles called bales, which is transported to factories. Spinning is the process of changing fiber into yarn, that is a thread. Spinning draws out short fibers from the cotton wool and twists them together into a long continuous thread called yarn. Hand spindle or takli and charkha are two hand operated devices used for spinning. In rural areas, people still use charkha for making thread or yarn from cotton. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done on spinning machines. Weaving is the process to convert yarn into cloth. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric with the help of a handloom or powerloom is called weaving. Weavers weaving on a small scale use handlooms. On a large scale, cotton fabrics are made by big machines that run on electricity. These machines are called power looms. Now, what are the hand looms and the power looms? Looms are the apertures or machines for making fabric by weaving yarn or thread. So, when these apertures are used by humans and they use their hands, then it is called hand loom. And when these machines or the apertures are run by electricity, then these are called power looms. Knitting is another process to make the fabric by using the yarn. So, in knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Knitting can be done by hands using knitting needles. Nowadays, most of the knitting is done with the help of machines. Uses of cotton. Cotton fibers are used for manufacturing clothes and linen. For example, socks, t-shirts, shirts, bedsheets, etc. are generally made from cotton. Cotton clothes are comfortable in hot and humid conditions because they are soft to touch, absorb sweat, and let the air in. A cloth that lets the air in is said to breathe. The sweat absorbed by cotton cloth evaporates more quickly due to the air it breathes. It results in cooling down the body. Cotton is blended with other fibers to make mixed fibers like terracotta. You all know that is cotton is a natural fiber. That cotton is a natural fiber and it is blended with a synthetic fiber, that is the terylene, and forms a mixed fiber called terracotta. Then gun cotton, which is an explosive, is also made from cotton. Cotton is used to absorb blood and pus from the wounds and in other medical procedures.